Today we are introduce solar street lights with mainly used for loader projects and high lumen brightness prices. And this is the lamp body. This is the solar panel. This is the solar panel bracket. This is the power. We look at the lamp body. We use high lumen brightness LED chips, 64 pieces high lumen LED chips with lens. And the glass is tempered glass. This lamp body with big dimensions. And the material is die-cast aluminum material. You can see this. This is the lithium battery space. It's very big. And also you can compare our normal solar street lights. You can see this lithium battery space wise is about 8 centimeters. We use the lithium battery. This is the lithium battery cells, and this is the square lithium battery about 30 Ah. We put lithium battery in our left side. This the maximum lithium battery can reach about 70 Ah. Also, we accept large lithium battery if you have the needs. With external lithium battery, if large lithium battery, and this lamp with IP65 waterproof. This is the solar panel. The back. It is the injection box. You can see that. This is our normal solar panel. It's very small injection box. You can compare. Because it's big injection box used to support the solar panel and for the other projects. Also, we can compare the waterproof cable. They are also waterproof cable. This is the 2 multiply 1.5 millimeters square. It is the thickness, the dimension is very big compared to the normal solar panel cable. This is waterproof cable, and also this injection box is also IP65 waterproof. We can see the solar panel dimensions. The width is 42 centimeters, and the length is about 67 centimeters. This is the finished solar street light inflection. This is the bracket. The solar panel bracket can adjustable with 360 degrees. Then you can install the solar street light, the solar panel toward the direction to the sun.